Hey guys, we just about done with our van now. We got a couple things we want to do, like we haven't put in our solar panels yet or any of that electrical, but we figured we'll give you a little tour of what we have done so far. So starting at the back, we have the bed folds up, and we have storage underneath for all of our climbing gear, outdoor gear, and then we have these pull-out bins that pull out for our clothes and everything else. We also have a spare tire in here because I didn't know the spare tire was in the middle when I designed it. But so there's no, it's now under the cabinet, so it's back here now. The bed folds down, then we have a 10-inch memory foam mattress, which is a little thicker than I originally planned, but we just found this one on a good price, so we got it. And it's really comfy. So we have storage up top near the bed for clothes, random things that we need for quick access. We also have lights, so we can have lights back here. They're battery operated and they're controlled by a remote. We also have a little shelf on this side, just for a ferret to put her random things and hats and such. The curtains slide down. And then those go back against the window there. They Velcro to the window so they stick and give us a little extra space sticking them out. Up front we have our little kitchenette. In our last van we didn't have cooking. We just basically cooked on a camp stove outside. So in this one we opted just from experience to actually have something that we can cook inside. So, well, at least under the shelter of the roof. We have our propane stove with sink. The cutting board comes up and then there's the sink underneath. A self-priming water pump. The water, drain water, and propane are all held underneath. On this side is basically our food prep area / storage, pots and pans and dishes and all that in here. And then we have all of our cabinets with all of our food stuffed in there and everything for that. And the last thing we have is just our, remote stored over here, carbon monoxide detectors, fire extinguisher, just safety stuff, things like that. Random stuff tucked in every little nook and cranny. But that's basically it, and I guess we'll show you a little bit of our build.